In this video, I'll be sharing my honest experience with the BMO US Dollar Mastercard. If you're someone who frequently shops in US dollars or travels to the US, this card might catch your interest. The standout feature is its ability to let you make purchases directly in US dollars, eliminating the hassle and cost of foreign transaction fees. The annual fee is $49 US, but here's the kicker. Spend $3,000 US in a year, and the next year's fee is rebated. This makes it a compelling choice for regular US dollar spenders. However, it's important to note that while the card offers purchase protection and extended warranty benefits, it doesn't come with comprehensive travel insurance like trip cancellation or medical coverage. The interest rates are on the higher side, with purchases at 21.99% and cash advances at 23.99%. So, if you plan to carry a balance, this might not be the most cost-effective option. On the positive side, the card is widely accepted, with Mastercard's global reach ensuring you can use it at millions of locations worldwide. Overall, the BMO US Dollar Mastercard is a solid choice for those who frequently deal with US dollars, offering convenience and potential savings on annual fees. But if you're looking for a card with robust travel insurance or lower interest rates, you might want to explore other options. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and insights,